Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell the Bitcoin on the Binance app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the search button right here. Now tap on it. After tapping on it, here you can find the top searches like this. And in the top search, you might find the Bitcoin as well. And if you can't find it, you can simply tap onto the search bar and type Bitcoin just like this. And now here you can find the Bitcoins right here. Now one thing to remember, you cannot sell the wallet Bitcoins. You need to sell except the wallet one. Now tap onto one of the Bitcoins just like this. And now here you can find all of the details of the Bitcoin right here. Now to sell it, simply tap onto sell button right here. After that, here you can find all of the analysis of the Bitcoin. Now you can do the analysis and simply sell it. And that's it. This is how you can sell the Bitcoin on the Binance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.